हाय फ्रेंड्स, હું છું જીક્સ ગામડી અને આપણે આવી ગયા છીએ મારા પપ્પાના માસીના ત્યાં અને આપણે એમના છોકરાનું એટલે મારા કાકાનું આપણે ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ લેશું. સેલિબ્રિટી ખેડૂત છે, બોલો સાહેબ.
Hello sir, my name is Patiyar Vasan from Sidpur, district Patan. This is my farm. Now this rate is on 75 rupees per kg at market in wholesale market. I started at 110 rupees per kg. Now how decreasing, then it coming in 75 rupees per kg. And this is watermelon. This is watermelon. At the rate in market, this price is only 10 rupees per kg. But we enjoy. Enough. This price is enough for any farmer because 10 rupees kg is lot of price our market. And this is cucumber. This is started price at 50 rupees per kg, but now rate it is 25 rupees per kg. And this is 1 acre of farm of this cucumber. This quality is 100 not percent organic, but 40% is organic. 40% is organic. Seed. Now this is brinjal. Seed, long brinjal. At market price, this is only 2 rupees per kg. Only 2 rupees per kg at the today price is this. But only 2 rupees also we enjoy. I am help. Lot rupees. 2 rupees is lot. We build 2-floor building at 2 rupees per kg this yangan. We purchase one second-hand car, 2 lakh on this 2 rupees per kg with Bengan. Next farm is my tomato and Karela. I see you. So this is punching of puncturing of my drip irrigation. This is distribution of the punching of the water in cucumber. So this is This is tomato. Now in market price, today price is only 4 rupees and 5 rupees per kg. But farmer is full happiness. Full happy because God give me lot of money, lot of goods. Like tomato, you see here. So much tomato, देखो. See you always see here how much tomato is growing for in this plant. Only one plant there is only 10 kg tomato in there. 10 kg there is 700 plant in my farm. Then one plant give me 10 kg. So this Kerala. At market price there is 25 rupees to 30 rupees per kg today in wholesale market. But planting is not well because there is so many heat and sunlight is very high. Then all plant is destroyed. In my film Kerala farm, so this type is Kerala. This type of Kerala. But there is problem in some planting because sunlight is very high on my growth planting. Then there is stoppage the growth and all planted discuss from the yellow of these planted and leaves. So there is not income well in this Kerala because sunlight is very high. I am not proud of this Kerala, but tomato is proud of because there is no price, but production is very high in plant. So I am happy. I am also studying. I have degree, a master graduate, MCom and BEd agriculture, BSc agriculture in University Doriwala University. So I am also have degree, but I am farming because I like farming. Jai Bharat, Jai Jawan, Jai. You see in my tomato farm, there is lot of God give me production, but there is no price. There is no price. So farmer how can till there only 4 rupees and 5 rupees per kg. Also then farmer is also happiness because God give me lot of production in tomato. In the quality you have to check this quality. A1 quality of this tomato. A1 quality. 65 days of tomato this. Only 65 to 70 days tomatoes.